This is Jan Alarcon. This week we work on Stacks Machines. Stacks Machine is a AI tool that can help developers, founders to build, to deliver projects that use Stacks blockchain.
How long have you been working on Stacks Machines for?
It's around 2 or 3 months. This week we rebranded and renamed it to Stacks Machine. So this week here in Buenos Aires in the Hacker House help us to get more feedback and to reshape the project and to build something much better than before.
How long before this project have you been building on Stacks, or have you built on other blockchains before?
On Stacks is around 6 months, I can say, because I got introduced into Stacks thanks to Jonathan and Angel from Stacks Latam. We have been working in blockchain around 4 years, 3 years like this. Stacks, still quite new. I'm very excited.
How has the experience been building on Stacks versus building on other chains?
Stacks is quite related to Bitcoin, and everyone is kind of excited to build products around Bitcoin. I think that was one of the main reasons that we also, got attached into it. But in general, we can say Stacks has their own ecosystem. So for us as developers, we need to to get familiar or to learn something new for it. It's quite challenging, but at the end, it's also we are glad to do it, so it's okay.
What are some of the tools that you're using to build Stacks Machines?
AI tools like Gemini API keys, sentence transformers, or ChromaDB, that these are more like AI tools. From Stacks itself, what we do is use projects from Stacks. For example, it can be Alex projects or can be any other DeFi projects. So what we do is reuse or ingest all of these Stacks projects there into our tool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, this is Jan from Stacks Machines team. So the main problem that we are solving is common dilemma, the lazy developers dilemma. Developers doesn't know where to spend more time. And the second problem is the founders bottleneck. Usually founders need to move fast. They need to provide a lot of prototypes and they need to iterate. Besides to handle all the business sides, they also have to handle, this technical side. We have Stacks Machines is a powerful tool that is going to bring these pre-audited clarity contracts to founders. This is very important because when we want to launch projects into production, these projects should be audited. So it means, okay, you can spend less money when you're doing the auditing because they will find, less issues and you don't need to go on many rounds of auditing. Since we are using advanced techniques of AI, we can ensure that we can actually bring these good results. Main idea for us is to onboard as many developers as we can. As we know, blockchain ecosystem is growing. There are more people coming into Stacks. If we compare with other ecosystems, some missing pieces on a stack that can be standard for smart contracts. And we know that AI is going everywhere. AI tools that can be integrated in the platform that you are using is going to be very good. Our main idea is also to focus on founder. So with this tool, founders can focus on more on the business side or on the marketing side, on the operation, rather than on the technical side. And at the same time, it's going to accelerate the learning curve in the sense that okay, you can easily master the clarity language while you are using this tool. Right now, there are many open source repositories on GitHub. Our system is going to collect projects and ingest into the database we have. And finally, when you do the basic installation of this, you can actually access to this knowledge from your environment. In this case, we as a developer use. So from Cursor, you can get all the knowledge that you need. So this is the high level overview that how the full system is working. AI is moving very fast. There are new models of AI coming into the market. Stacks ecosystem is also moving fast. There is a new version of Clarity right now. It's Clarity version 4. Always have to keep fine-tuning the product in order to be updated with the current situation. We can build a plugin that's going to be easier for the developers to install and to use this tool. So welcome everyone to partner with us. You can help us to scale this proof of concept that we already have into production, into something that can be used for the masses, for everyone. You can also own this standard for Bitcoin smart contract development. That is going to be our next big step. So this is the infrastructure pivot that is going to make BTCFi possible. If we build DeFi here, it means okay, we are building the future that is going to be BTCFi. Thank you for listening. Welcome for any feedback and any contact. Thanks.